Weekly Pill Organizer box and 7 separate daily pill box planner for a week, total 21 slots, large compartments. Each slot able to store 9 fish oils, 20 regular tablets, part of 16 capsules. Plenty of space for all of your medicine and keeping life organized. Unbreakable, drop tested. Abe's tablet box, silicone strip with sealed buckle. Lid of the tablet container for medicine. Pill Organizer Weekly would not open automatically once closed. Protect your pill in multiple dimensions. Even if the medicine organizer falls from hand, it will protect the internal compartments, will not let even one pill fall from the container, and will keep your medicine intact. Larger capacity than others. Removable medicine organizer box, medicine box container for travel includes 3 big-size compartments to meet your daily pill organized request. Printed with lasting icon on each case that represent 3 times a day to remind taking meds on time to manage your health accurately. Now you can just organize your medicines or vitamins in 10 minutes and you are set for a whole week, saving your time and energy. Safe for storage. Constructed with BPA-free material, this extra-large pill organizer is safe and health for medical use. Smooth surface to avoid residue absorbing. Easily to clean and prevent different batches of pill mixing with their residue. Friendly usage and avoid scratches. Simple and handy. Day pill holder. Perfect for whom need to take pills several times one day. As a reminder, or pill sorter, avoid dose skipping. Try the functionality of being able to take your daily pills while traveling, working, or on the school. This premium medicine organizer is a perfect elderly people gift set, and also for anyone that take care of her health for storing supplements or vitamins and much more. Customer reviews. 0.6 out of 5 stars no. Good quality material, well illustrated, easy lock individual cubes, easy to use and very compact, especially for travel. A must buy.